Welcome back. In this video, we're making a chicken bacon ranch sandwich. Dredge chicken tenderloins in flour, dip them in eggs, then into breadcrumbs, pressing to adhere. Into a deep fryer they go at 350 degrees for 2 to 3 minutes or until nicely golden brown and crispy. Season with salt while they're still hot. For the ranch, mayo, pour in buttermilk, then add ranch buttermilk dressing mix, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and cayenne pepper. Whisk until combined. Onto a toasted roll, lettuce, tomato, red onion. On goes your chicken, bacon slices, mozzarella cheese. Under the broiler it goes until the cheese has melted. Onto the top half goes the ranch. Crown your sandwich. And there we have it, a chicken bacon ranch sandwich. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.